Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set an alarm in this device. For this, open the clock application. Then at the bottom you can see the option tab alarm. So first we need to select this one. Then to create a new alarm, tap on the plus button. Then from here you need to select the time. So you can see now the time is 11:02. So here I am going to set the time to 11:03. PM. Now tap on OK. Now you can see alarm set for less than 1 minute. Okay, now we need to just wait for a few seconds. The alarm will ring. Now you can see the alarm is ringing. Then you can snooze the alarm, otherwise you can stop the alarm. So here I am going to stop the alarm. Okay, so simply in this way you can set an alarm in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.